In this video, I will walk you through a quick overview of Link4 Cloud Control Interface. You go to c2.link4cloud.com and you should get this login window. Put in your credentials and we'll take you to this screen. Here you see the different location for your setup. Many of you would only have one location, so you might not see this page. For those of you who have multiple locations, you will see each tile for each location. So I'm going to go to the first one, click on it. Here you see a number of zones for these locations. Each tile here represents a zone or one climate control zones. Up here is the weather station information. You have a bar on the right which is collapsible. This is where you can take notes and various information here. Up here you see tasks, report and graph. Your subscription status here. Any alarm messages here. There's a help system here. Setup and your profile avatar here. Let's go into a zone. I'm going to click on zone 2. So here's what you see in that zone. You see a panel showing sensor display, another panel here showing the equipment. This zone has 8 equipment. You see 7 here, but group fence is a 2 output. That's why there's 8 not shown, open and close. On the right here is a grows panel that shows the grow journal. These are notes that you take against these parameters over here. So for example, I will go into one equipment, a fan, click on it. You see this is the parameter set up for a fan. Here you see a PDF, a manual for a fan. Let me click on that. The manual pops in as a PDF. Let me pull the PDF viewer over. And here's a PDF of that document. There's some pictures here with a note here that belt is loosed. There's some tag for the note. I'll go back to the zone 2 here. I can go. There's a video link here. All right, there's somebody posted. Let me click on that. See the video is playing. If I full screen it, it will go to the full screen of the monitor. Okay. You got some pictures of the crops here. I click on that, you see a picture. There's 2 pictures here. There's another picture here of some problem plants. Yeah, I'm going to go through here. This is the heater. Click on it. Some settings here like before. Couple user manual. Okay. Let me go here. Go to exhaust fan. Some staging information here, picture here, some note here, band blade for the fan. There's a manual here, there's a video here. Let me see YouTube, let me click on this. Okay. So I think this video shows how to replace a belt for this typical YouTube video. If I click on tasks, there's no task here, but you can add a task for, let's say like replace fan belt. Okay, you could make it, I don't know, by December of the year, right? Assign it to person, add a tag in here, plants, not repeat. Click on that, and that's it. This person will get notified to replace this fan belt there's a due date here. Okay, let's go back to zone 2. There's alarm here. You can click here to see different alarm status. Audit log will show you. Let me click on that. It will show you different changes that somebody made. I think this one's 12. I'm gonna click on this fan here. All right, so audit log, it will show somebody made some changes. Somebody named Link4 user turn cool 4, cool 5, cool 6 on. Right, these 3 just got turned on at this time. Task, there's a task here, also replace fan belt. All right, there's some AI piece here, which I go over that in a later video. You get here are the status of the equipment. The status is is on, off. This is force on, so this and this is being forced off. There's an icon here, but click on that. It will show this fan is on and it's being forced on. Okay, this one is off and it's also being forced off. Okay, so this equipment status. You got sensor here. Here's the type for the set point. There are 2 set point. We are in the night set point right now, and night here, days here. Inside temperature, normal stays right now. Right, set point between 50 and 80, and this is the night set point. Humidity, outside temperature, inside CO2, soil moisture. Right. There's another video that will show how to reconfigure this panel. But this is a set point. I'm going to click on that. I will set up, there's 8 set point here. Only 2 are being set right now. Okay. Inside temperature, if I click on inside temperature, I get a graph of the inside temperature, and then there's videos that you can make note for this inside temperature sensor. Okay, so you can zoom in to see what's going on there. Okay, up here you can create graph, and here there's lots of different options here for you to use. The most important one a lot of people use would be manage users. You go in here, and there are lots of users. You can have many users you want. If access control, you can delete them. You can invite them. Just typical user control here. There's another video on that as well. Okay, so that's the an overview for the Link4 cloud interface.